Students, now we will go through LP4, uses of rocks and minerals. The aim of the LP4 is to identify that rocks are made up of minerals and identify their uses. The keywords are minerals. So students, till now we have discussed about the different types of rocks, rock cycle, right? So how these rocks and minerals are useful to us? Okay. So what actually this rock made up of? Do you know? Rock is made up of minerals. Okay. So what are minerals? Minerals, they are pure chemical substances formed due to the natural processes within the earth. Okay, so these rocks are, we can say, these are our minerals, right? They are the pure chemical substance. How they are formed? They are formed naturally. Okay, they are from some natural process happen, so that they are formed naturally where within the earth. Okay, in the earth, in the middle part of the earth, we can say. Okay, after the crust is the first layer, surface. So inside this below that surface, these all are formed, right? So these are there are many kinds of minerals, right? We depend on rocks and minerals for many things that we use in our daily life. Do you know? So today let's find out how we are dependent on these minerals. Okay, now what you have to do, see in this picture I have given some examples like food, metals, building material, gemstone, fuels. So these are the some building material, that one type of stone. Other than that, there are minerals. Okay, how they are? What are these minerals? How these rocks and minerals, they are included as food. Do you know rock salt and common salt? The salt which we are using now, those are also a one type of minerals. Okay, so other than metals, this all we will discuss now. Okay, this one you have to draw in your classwork, student. So see here, you can see the some of the examples. Those are which has been given in your volume S4. Okay, so here you can see talc. Do you know talc? Talc, it is a type of stone like this. Okay, this is a talc stone. How we will use this one means, it is used in the form to form or to produce the talcum powder. Okay, next one is iron ore. Do you know iron ma? So this is the iron ore. Using this only the iron will made. Okay, next one is native gold. Do you know gold, right? Gold ornament, what we will wear na. Mostly the ladies, they will make so many ornaments, jewelries. So the gold actually where we will get from the it is a one type of mineral only. We will get along with the these stones only. Okay, so this is a native gold, right? What they will do, they will melt it and they will make the ornaments. And next one is slate. Do you know slate? In the kindergarten, the when you were a small kid, right, at that time you use the slate na. So slate, how that black slate it is formed, it is used from this slate stone only, right? They will use this material and they will make a slate. So next one is quartz, and next one is diamond. Do you know diamond? So diamond, it is one type of mineral that it will form from the earth crust only we will get this item. Okay, we will dig the earth crust so that we can find the mineral. Like that, rock salt, common salt, pumice, sandstone, granite. So these are some of the stones, and some this gold, native gold, iron ore, talc, right? And rock salt, rock salt, do you know? Have you seen like this? Curry uppu in black salt, right? Rock salt means solid salt will be there. Another one is black salt also there. Okay, which is used for the digestion process. It is good for health also. So this is the rock salt. Okay, so in the form of solid we can see. And another one is common salt, which we will use, that also from that on from the rocks only we are getting that one. Okay, these are the minerals. Okay, so these stones we will use in your some of these stones we will use in our daily life. Along with that, there are minerals also there, right? That minerals also plays a vital role in our life. So what is mineral? Again I am telling, it is a pure chemical substance, right? It is a pure chemical substance formed due to the natural process. Where it is formed? Within the earth. Okay, so now next one that we are going to discuss, student, in for building material you can see, right? Quartz, it is a quartz is a type of rock only. It is very shiny. And where the quartz is useful to us? Here in the book you can see the quartz. Wait, here in the picture you can see the quartzite, right? So where it is useful, student? To make the glasses, right? We used to make the glasses. Rock salt, it is used as a salt. Okay, we get iron, gold, silver, copper and all other metals from the minerals only. Okay, some minerals are shiny, are long lasting and very precious. Do you know what are they? They are gemstones and diamonds, right? They are shiny and for long life they will be shiny only. Okay, like ruby, these all are minerals. So we have different minerals, so that we will use differently. Can we use this rock salt as a diamond? No, right? So based on the some properties we will use. Why we are using the diamond as a very precious? Because it will be very shiny and very precious, right? Very shiny for long lasting, so that we will use like ruby, gemstone. These all things we will use to make the jewelries, right, students? So now open your page, volume 3, page number 36, write today's date. So you can see firstly in the box they have been given, right? So differentiate which one is stone and which one is mineral. Okay, next one, first one question, what is mineral and where do we find them? Just now I explained. Second question is, name the rock or mineral you would use in the following cases. You want to build a new kitchen shelf, so whether you will use a rock or mineral, that one you have to write. To build a new kitchen shelf you have to build. The next one, you want to gift your sister a precious chain whose color is bright as sun. Whether you will use a rock or mineral. You want a blackboard in your study room, so what you will use, rock or mineral? That one you have to write. Next one, third question is, the earth crust is covered with many types of rocks and minerals. Still we should use them wisely. Why? So this is the third question. Okay, so students, here you know rocks and minerals are non-renewable, right? They will not again and again they will not form. Okay, but what happened? To form again, they will take millions of years. Okay, so that we have to use them in a limited way. Okay, so here we have completed. Next week we will go through a new lesson.